the starter of our vlog. It's our 1-year anniversary and you can talk.
We are going to Foça.
Look at here.
Where?
This hole.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We are going to Foça.
Let's go. I packed everything. Remember, I packed everything.
I packed this.
You didn't know.
I found out there is bag for tripod.
We have this tripod around 2 or 3 months, and he didn't know there is bag for that. So thanks to me, and let's go. How is it? What?
Can you hear me?
I can, yeah. Open top var. Tada! Someone is hunting me with that. So we need cheese. I picked 1 cheese, but I think it's not enough. So what do you think? This one or this one?
We had already Gouda. We took this one.
Yeah,
We
I
don't
took.
need this one, Sade Gouda. Burana Parmesan.
The problem is they don't have very good cheese here. Oh, maybe I can come there. This cheese,
Hello.
do you think it's good with wine?
Parmesan.
Okay. Okay. Dil peynir, I like this. Bir
tane poşet.
ben gidiyorum.
So guys, hi again. We came to Foça. We are 15 minutes far. We don't have wood. Now we are looking for place.
What is it doing?
Yeah, we need to find wood or coal to cook and to be warm. So let's see.
And they say it's so cold there and so windy, so we don't know what will happen to us. Okay,
Let's see.
let's see. So according to map, we are going there. Okay, wait for it. Oh my god! So we will be there. Here, it's a little bit crowded, but I think it can be good. And we didn't take any wood still, so we really don't know. I hope my accent will be good in video. Okay, I think it's enough for us. Okay, now you can stop it. Is it cold?
Very cold.
That's good. Not so cold. Oh, look at water. So let's go for diving.
Nerede?
Now we're just sitting, it's our wine. I will make something for eating next to wine. And yeah, and someone will make fire like old-fashioned boys. It's better to say that. Okay, I will show you what will I make and he will make.
Fire.
I'm middle of designing table and look at the view. People are going and we have as and fire there. Babe, how is it going? Okay, so we are starting our night. Marshmallow. I think it's ready now. I'm not sure, I hope. Oh, let's show you
Mine is
what
good.
did I make. For me it's almost. Let me tell you something. It's our drinking table for now. After that we have meat and we can have tea as well. How is it?
It's like ice cream.
Hot ice cream.
Tastes like ice cream.
What should I do? Okay. So the good things about when your hands are dirty and you are near to sea, you don't need to clean that with anything. You just go near to sea and wash your hands in water. And I don't know, I can show you or not. And even with flush, oh, you can see water is so clean. Yeah, it's good. Some people are coming, see? Oh, it's a little bit creepy, like horror movies. But still, let's see. Good night.
Tomorrow.
It's hard for me. I have little legs.
Okay. Down. One leg down.
Okay, wait for it. We camped here. Okay, so I can't breathe so good now because it was a very hard way for coming up again to our car. But it was very good camping and we enjoyed that a lot. I hope you enjoyed that as well. And don't forget to share, like, comment and this stuff and subscribe. Okay, see you next week.